Hi everyone, welcome back. The sun is the main source of energy. It drives all forms of life and their evolution here on the earth. Without the sun, we cannot imagine life on the earth. It would be a dead and cold planet. Perhaps recognizing this, in many cultures, the sun is worshipped as a god. Many Hindus still start their days with Surya Namaskar, and the ancient Egyptians worshipped the sun as a deity named Ra or Re. The sun is so big that more than 1,000,000 Earths can fit into it. The sun's luminosity is approximately 3.8 into 10 to the 26 watts. Imagine turning on 40 trillion 100-watt light bulbs simultaneously. That's the amount of energy the sun emits every second. However, the Earth receives only a tiny fraction of the sun's energy. Approximately 1/1000th of the sun's total energy output reaches the Earth. Despite this small fraction, it is more than enough to sustain life and drive Earth's climate systems. The sun is so massive that it accounts for 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. In other words, the sun contains almost all of the mass in the solar system, with planets, moons, asteroids, and other celestial bodies making up only a tiny fraction of the system's total mass. The sun was born out of a large interstellar cloud of gas and dust, which gradually began to contract under the force of gravity. As a result, the temperature and pressure increased, leading to the onset of nuclear fusion. Inside the sun's core, the temperature reaches a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius, and the pressure is incredibly high. Under these extreme conditions, hydrogen atoms collide and fuse together to form helium. When this fusion takes place, the mass of the resulting helium atom is slightly less than that of the two hydrogen atoms. This mass difference is converted into energy by the famous equation E is equal to mc square, formulated by Einstein. This energy is released in the form of photons, which eventually make their way out of the sun and into the space as sunlight. Every second, the sun's core fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium and converts 4 million tons of matter into energy. If we were to detonate all the nuclear arsenal we have at once, this energy would still be way large. The sun has already been shining for 5 billion years, and it will continue shining for another 5 billion years. However, after that, something dramatic will happen. As the sun runs out of hydrogen fuel in its core, it will begin to burn helium. This process will produce more energy than before and therefore will cause its outer layer gradually expand. The sun will grow in size, engulfing planets like Mercury, Venus, and possibly the Earth, turning it into a red giant. Eventually, this will be a catastrophic explosion, creating a beautiful phenomenon known as planetary nebula, while the central remnant core will be turned into a white dwarf, which will slowly cool down. That will be the end fate of our star, our God. If you're still around and have advanced enough technology for interstellar migration, then humans might be able to witness this tragic event from a faraway planet. So there you have it. The sun shines bright thanks to the immense gravitational squeeze that keeps driving nuclear fusion within deep in its core. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.